When it comes to wearing a mask, the Prime Minister hasn't sounded particularly clear of late. But his conversion to coverings was confirmed this morning as he visited these London ambulance workers wearing his bright blue £2 mask. Boris Johnson only taking it off.
Take my mask off, otherwise I think this interview may be inaudible.
To suggest we put ours on more often.
I do think that in shops it is very important to wear a face covering if you're going to be in a confined space and you want us to protect other people and to receive protection in turn. Yes, face coverings I think people should be wearing in shops.
Right now, masks are mandatory on public transport in England, Scotland and Northern Ireland and will be in Wales from July 27th. But so far, only Scotland has made it compulsory in shops. Shopping centres today only allowing people in if they covered up.
I work in a hospital, so I'm used to this.
I think with everyone wearing the masks, I think that's a big difference. I think people don't really feel as nervous going into shops.
As the First Minister said, the majority of Scots were following the new rules.
Everything I've seen or heard through social media, through other reports and actually through my own brief visit to a couple of shops yesterday, everything suggests that compliance with the new law has been extremely high indeed.
And today, the World Health Organization, who last month changed their advice to urge the wearing of masks in public places, said others must do the same.
If people aren't wearing masks in the proper settings, then the disease will continue to transmit. At the same time, governments have to support communities in that. We need to be absolutely clear and consistent in our messaging to our citizens.
120 countries have taken up that call. A recent study found that the number of people saying they now wear a mask in public places is above 80% in Spain and China and well over 70% in the United States, with only 36% of people in the UK choosing to cover up. But inside there, they're hoping that that number will soon be rising, as tomorrow the government is expected to officially announce that the wearing of face coverings will be compulsory in shops and supermarkets in England. The Prime Minister insists his recent conversion to coverings is no climb down, but a sign that the science is changing as he prepares to change the law to match it. Daniel Hewitt, News at 10.